In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in WPS Office. Curved text is a great way to make titles, headings, or design elements stand out, especially when you want your document to look more creative and visually appealing. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can easily apply curved text to your own projects using WPS Office. To get started, make sure your document is already open in WPS Office and that you are on the main editing screen. Once you are ready, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This area contains tools that allow you to add different elements to your document, including decorative text styles. Under the Insert tab, find the option labeled Word Art. This feature is what allows text to be styled, shaped, and curved. Click on the Word Art dropdown and choose any style that fits your preference. The style you select will act as the base for your curved text, and you can always adjust it later. After selecting a style, a text box will appear on your document. At this stage, the text box will look like regular text, and that is completely normal. Inside the text box, type the text you want to curve. Once the text is entered, take a moment to center align it so the curve looks balanced and clean. Proper alignment at this stage makes the final result look more polished. Next, with the Word Art text still selected, move to the Text tools and locate the option for Text Effects. Click on the drop-down menu, then look for the Transform option. This section contains different shapes and text transformations. Among the available styles, select the Circular or Curved option, which is usually represented by a circular text preview. As soon as you select it, the text will automatically curve into a circular shape. After clicking outside the text box, you will see the curved text applied to your document. From here, you can fine-tune the appearance. Click on the text again to resize it, rotate it, or reposition it wherever you want on the page. If the spacing between letters looks uneven, you can adjust the height and width of the text box to smooth everything out. Take your time to make small adjustments until the curved text looks balanced and visually pleasing. These final touches can make a big difference in the overall design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.